In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps in your Android phone. Now, in some Android phones, you can find built-in app lock option in your phone settings. But if you don't have it, then you have to use a third-party app to lock your apps. So just open up your Play Store, go to search bar and search for app lock. Then download the first one, then tap on install, give it a moment, and the download is complete. Now just open the app, then draw a new pattern, then retype your pattern again, then tap on agree and start, then tap on allow to get notifications. Now from here just select the app that you want to lock. If I select YouTube, then tap on permit. From here just give permission for data access and then go back, then tap on permit again, then enable this option, and that's it. You can see app lock has been enabled successfully. Now just select the app that you want to lock. If I select YouTube and then go back, now if I open YouTube, and that's it. You can see app lock has been enabled successfully. And that is how you can lock app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.